In this video, we're going to walk you through Ringcentral. Ringcentral is what we'll be using to give you access to make phone calls from your house. If you're already on the list for Ringcentral, then you'll have gotten an email like this from Ringcentral that says you've been added to your company's Ringcentral business phone system. If you go ahead and click on that email, it will give you your phone number that you'll be able to use, your internal extension number, your direct line, and your email address for login. Right in this email, it has a couple of steps for you to follow. If you click on Quickly Run Through the Express Setup, it'll go ahead and open up in a new tab, asking you to make a password, a PIN, and a security question and answer. This is a test account. I'll just use that example password. Your PIN will be your voicemail PIN, and it has to be 6 to 10 digits. Once you've filled out your password, PIN, and secret answer, hit continue. Then set up your user profile, which will allow people to see your name. And so you can see here I've just got my test account info. I can hit continue. Everything in the regional settings should be correct by default. For emergency calling information, we're just going to go ahead and put in the school's address. Call forwarding, you can use this to set up call forwarding to your cell phone, but we recommend just hitting skip. For voicemail, you can make your own greeting, but you can go ahead and just leave it on keep default for now. You can customize that later if you want to. Once you've gone through all those screens, just hit confirm setup, and you are now done. They do have Mac and PC clients, but at this point we're just going to scroll down and click finish, and we can hit go to my account. Now that we've gone through that step, if we go back to the email from Ringcentral, they have this little link to install the Ringcentral Google Chrome extension. If I click on that, it'll take me to the Chrome extension on the Google Play Store, or pardon me, the Chrome Web Store. And I can just hit add to Chrome, add extension. Been added to Chrome. Now that this has been added, if I click on the little Ringcentral icon up in my extensions, I can hit sign in. And now that I've signed in once, I can actually go ahead and hit or sign in with Google and choose that account that I used to set everything up just a minute ago. Go ahead and allow it to view your email address, confirm your emergency address. Boom! Welcome. You can go ahead and take the quick tour if you want, but I'm going to skip it. This screen, however, you should actually choose your preference. You can choose where the little Ringcentral phone dialer will appear. I'm going to recommend using it show on all websites except my blacklist. It's just a little icon on the side, and it doesn't really intrude in anything. So that's my personal preference. Now that this has been opened, it goes right into a phone dialer. Censored this part out because I'm dialing my personal phone number, but all you do is just click, put a phone number, call. And though it's probably a little hard for you to see right now, you can probably hear my phone ringing. And that's all there is to making a call. If you somehow get lost from this screen, you can hit the little 3x3 grid of dots to get back to this screen. You can also check contacts for internal calling by hitting the little person icon, and you can see our other users who have a registered Ringcentral phone. If you close that screen out, If you go onto pretty much any web page, you'll now notice this little R icon over here with a green light indicating that I'm online. If you click it, that'll pop up the RingCentral window from earlier. Simply drag that around your screen if you're trying to make a call. If you don't see that window for any reason, you can click the little RingCentral icon back up in your extension tray. There are also phone apps available for both iPhone and Android. You can download those from the App Store or the Google Play Store, respectively. That pretty much covers the basics of how to set up your account and how to use the RingCentral phone app. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@springfield-schools.org. Thanks and have a great day.